In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect HyperX Quadcast to Ngenuity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to download Ngenuity, set it up, and you will be able to add your HyperX Quadcast to it. So all that you have to do to download Ngenuity is to visit the official HyperX website. In here, you will be able to browse through a bunch of options and you can access the software. So all that you have to do is hover over support and then choose Ngenuity. Now you will be able to download the HyperX software. In here, click the option to download for Windows and go through with the installation process. Usually you will be redirected into the Microsoft Store where you can acquire Ngenuity. So once this is done and you download the latest version of the software, open it up. Now, go ahead and connect your Quadcast to your PC. You will be able to do this with the provided cable or even wirelessly depending on the model. You just have to make sure that it gets properly detected and recognized on your PC. Once this is done, HyperX Ngenuity will automatically list it under the list of available devices. So just select it from the list and now you will be able to customize the microphone however you'd like. You will be able to change the sensitivity, adjust the volume. You will be able to do mic monitoring where you can listen to your own voice to see what is being picked up, and you will be able to customize these preferences whenever you open Ngenuity. After they are saved, they will remain on the onboard memory and you will be good to go. If the microphone does not appear right away under the list of available devices, first restart the software itself. Then you can try unplugging the microphone and then plugging it back again, and if it still doesn't work, restart your computer. Ngenuity should automatically pick up the microphone as long as it is a genuine Quadcast from HyperX. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Quadcast to Ngenuity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.